Once upon a time, there was a girl. Average girl, nothing extraordinary about her at all. She lived average life in average society with average family. Even she went to average school, after that average college. While growing up, she always had to listen two phrases. Sometimes she got bored whenever she heard those two phrases. Sometimes she got excited whenever she heard those two phrases. Finally, one day, the time came for her to pass on those two phrases to the people around her as well. Hello everyone, my name is Swati. Today we are going to discuss on a topic which is bridging culture. Meeting and connecting with the different people from different culture. It's not about the people we meet, it's about the people whom we deeply connect with. And in that connectivity, science, art, literature, medicine have always been huge contribution. For example, a country as diverse as India, symbolized by plurality of its culture. An artist based in Nebraska, Asad Komi, once said, culture is like telling stories and art is like global language to tell them. India is a diverse country, amazingly rich in culture and heritage. Despite the differences in their day-to-day life, people in India live together, exemplifying unity in diversity. What do you think unity in diversity is? Unity in diversity is expression used for harmony and unity between two dissimilar groups or two dissimilar individuals. This phrase is deliberate oxymoron, rhetorical combination of two antonyms. Unitas is unity, oneness. Veritas is variety, variousness. In India, people of different religion, culture, sect, caste have been living together. Furthermore, they have been living together for many centuries. India is a country which perfectly demonstrates the example of unity in diversity. And by telling the importance of unity in diversity again and again, we can able to connect with each other even more and more. You know, in India, historical figures or famous personalities have been telling the importance of unity in diversity to us. So that's why we know about it. Otherwise, we wouldn't know about it at all. How to bring together. Everything starts from zero. And children are like a zero. Their mind is empty. They are in the process to fill this mind. And we must help them to fill this mind by telling the stories, examples, meanings, and the importance of unity in diversity so we can make the future even more strong. I'm sure until now you have recognized which girl was bored and excited from which phrase. Obviously that girl was me, and the phrase was unity in diversity. Unity in diversity, this idea I'm sure is worth spreading so we can become strong. We can make this future even strong and connect. Thank you so much.